Welcome back to the cabin. So this week we got back from VCR. What a excellent time we had there. Got my cheeks clapped out there, which was a lot of fun. Thank you everyone that said what's up. Appreciate that so much. Brian, Dave, Ethan, Minor, anyone else that came up and I'm forgetting your name, I'm so sorry. But thank you, much appreciated. It was really nice meeting all of you. And kind of talking shop and just saying what's up in the flesh. That's always that always makes my day. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. While out at VCR, I did have a couple conversations with someone. Thank you very much, Minor, for the awesome convos. And kind of came back to the house, came back to the cabin with a fire lit under my bum. And feeling very inspired, and I love that. Love when that happens. So this was not exactly what we were talking about or anything like that, but part of the inspiration. I've been sitting on this super old drone forever, and I've been wanting to fly it. This is an extremely old Mavic Air. This isn't even the Air 2. This is like definitely could be considered a pre-war drone. Oldie but goodie. Got the controller, got the batteries going. As I started flying this, I realized almost instantly, I forgot to mention Ryan from No Good Garage. Super nice meeting you, brother. Yeah, here we go. Some gorgeous shots of sleepy old South Lake Tahoe town here. These pine trees are 150, 170 feet tall on average. It's a little hot air balloon over in North Lake Tahoe. Very cool. This was maybe like 8 o'clock in the morning or so. So the town was kind of like just waking up, but very neat perspective. I realize I'm like 10 years late on the whole drone thing. Yep. I'm late. I seem to be late to the party almost all the time. Here we are flying around the front yard. This was really stupid. I promptly crashed it into a tree after getting these shots here, which like really fucked up the gimbal, and I had to replace one of the blades and all of that. So, but yeah, these were the test flights. We're at Emerald Bay. It's fucking crazy out. This shot is pretty spectacular. If you haven't been to South Lake Tahoe or Lake Tahoe in general, definitely worth the drive around Emerald Bay just to catch this view. But yeah, the drone kind of does a pretty decent job of these super wide, gorgeous shots. I can't wait to kind of like integrate this into different videos, event footage and that sort of thing. Yeah, it's exciting stuff. We got promptly told that we weren't allowed to fly here in this area. Like, no drones were allowed by a concerned citizen. So we only got a couple shots and then had to boogie. Look who else is here. Be aware of your surroundings and read the signs is probably the moral of the story here. 2-0? Yeah. Hell yeah. Love to see it. After lunch there, we decided we had some juice left in our batteries and put the drone up for some more flying, more fly time. This is kind of the Lakeview Commons area of South Lake Tahoe. Super popular with boaters and paddleboarders and all kinds of tourists. Yeah, this was a really neat, like this little amphitheater or whatever. Pretty cool little shot here. Super fun to fly around. And we were allowed to fly here, so this was all legal. I just thank you very much for letting me indulge in this. This is totally out of the norm for this channel. So thank you if anyone's still watching. I'm feverishly editing the VCR video and this all at the same time. The Virginia City Roundup video should be getting posted this week, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, fuck, can't really beat Tahoe. Got a lot of the wildlife here. I think we're gonna cut it there. Thank you for watching.